Hi, everyone. So we are finally on our last number that we are learning, and that number is the big one. It is the number 10, right? And the number 10 is made up of two numbers. We have 1 comes first, and then 0 comes after it. So the number 10, our last letter that we're, or not letter, our last number that we're learning about is the number 10, right? And I made my number 10 like this to make it look like a road. So I turned the 1 into the stoplight, and that's 3 because it has 3 lights. And then I put 7 cars on my 0 because 3 and 7 make 10. So there's 10 different items on my number 10. So 10 it is a 1 and a 0. So we're gonna talk about the 10, number 10, big 10, right? We have 10 fingers, we have 10 toes. 5 plus 5 make 10. So I'm going to read a story, and it's called 10 Twinkly Stars. And then I'm gonna show you what 10 looks like with my Unifix cubes, and then we're gonna chart it out like we normally do. So 10 twinkly stars. Let's count 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 twinkly stars. High above the sleepy jungle, 10 stars are shining bright. As lion yawns, it's time for bed and curls up for the night. Looks like this story is also going to show different animal habitats like we've learned about. 9 stars glow above the rabbits. They bounce back to their beds. Time to nestle in their burrow and rest their sleepy heads. So are we counting up or down? So we started with 10 and now we're at 9. So we're counting down, right? Like we counted last week, we counted down for blast off. So this book is counting down instead of up. So it'd be 10, 9, 8 sparkly stars gleam overhead as the owl calls, hoo-hoo. When evening falls, they're wide awake. They play the whole night through. Now we're at 8 twinkling stars. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7. The hippos stomp down to the swamp as 7 stars shine. They wade in for a midnight swim beneath the twinkling sky. Now we have 7. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Up in the sky, 6 bright stars wink down on the woolly sheep. The lambs skip as their mothers call, it's time to go to sleep. And they're all saying, ba, ba. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Above the dark savanna, 5 stars glint through the trees. The tall giraffes watch them twinkle in the cool night breeze. So see, now we only have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5. You can count down on your fingers. 5. Take one away. We have 4. 4 bright stars shimmer on the ice where little penguins skate. Their parents call it's time for bed. Come on, it's getting late. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, now we're taking away 1. How many do we have? 3, good job. As 3 stars sparkle in the sky, down on the dusty land, the camels shut their sleepy eyes and snooze upon the sand. So now we have 1, 2, 3. Take away 1, we have 2. Right, we're still counting down. 2 in the sky above the garden, 2 stars light up the dark. Puppy curls up in his kennel and gives a goodnight bark. So 1, 2. Now we have 1. Outside the bear's warm, cozy cave, 1 twinkly star shines on. The bears cuddle up together until the night is gone. We have 1 star. All tucked up in their comfy beds, the creatures snuggle tight. They snooze beneath the twinkly stars around the world tonight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are 10 twinkly stars. And it counted down, so let's count down. We'll count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you say, blast off! Good job. All right, so let me show you 10, what 10 looks like in my cubes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's what 10 looks like with our Unifix cubes when we make a tower of 10. So that's 10. So let's chart out our 10 now. So here's our chart. So this is what 10 looks like when you count it. 10. 10 starts with the letter T. So T-E-N makes 10. So when you spell it out, that's what it looks like. And remember, 10 is two numbers. It is the number 1 and 0. So 1 comes first and then 0. That is the number 10. And so this is our 10 frame. Remember our 10 frame? So we're finally going to fill the whole 10 frame because it's 10 boxes. So 1, 2, and you always do the first row first. You don't go out of order. You do this row first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your whole 10 frame is finally full because it's for 10. And now when you tally it, 1, 2, 3, 4, remember 5 goes across, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's what 10 looks like when we tally it. Now let's count out our 10 sons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I ran out of sons, and for the lucky big number 10, we have a star, so 10. That's what 10 looks like. He fell off. Let's get him back on there. 10. So 10, and then when we count, what number comes before 10? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 comes before 10, right? And then after, I don't have a number for it, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 comes after 10. So 11 makes 1 and 1 is the number 11. So 11 comes after 10. So that's all about the number 10. So maybe you can go home after this lesson and make a tower of 10. Maybe do a tower of 10. Use your frog manipulatives to count out 10 frogs. You can use your, what else did I give you? Those chips, maybe count out 10 chips. Do 10 different 10 groups of 10. So do 10 groups of 10. And then if you do 10 groups of 10, then you'll have 100 different items on the floor. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.